Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn life processes together, step by step. The basic functions that keep an organism alive are called life processes. We'll look at nutrition, respiration, transport, and excretion. Nutrition provides energy. Plants are autotrophs. They make food by photosynthesis, turning carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen using sunlight. Animals are heterotrophs that eat ready-made food. Respiration releases energy from glucose. Aerobic respiration uses oxygen and gives lots of energy. Anaerobic respiration works without oxygen and gives less. Transport moves materials around. In humans, blood pumped by the heart carries nutrients and gases. In plants, xylem carries water up and phloem carries food. Excretion removes harmful wastes. In humans, the kidneys filter blood to make urine. Plants release wastes through leaves and bark. To recap, nutrition feeds the body, respiration releases its energy, transport distributes materials, and excretion removes waste. The 4 life processes. Well done. Great work. Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.